Hi, everyone. My name is Robert F. Smith, and I'd like to welcome you to the Little Green Apples Project. Thanks for taking a moment or two to hear my story. I was a premature baby, so in other words, I was born in 7 months instead of 9. I only weighed 1 pound, 3 ounces. And the doctors gave my parents a choice. They said, well, we could either place him in the incubator for a couple of months, or we can just take other measures which might make him a vegetable. But by the grace of God, I was placed in an incubator. You know, that might sound awful to you, but it saved my life. And it led me on an incredible journey because, you know, although I'm blind, I can see things that some can't. And I can imagine possibilities that others haven't. And I'm able to do things that people would say are absolutely impossible. You know, for instance, I want to be the first totally blind man in the world to throw out the first pitch and sing the national anthem at every major and minor league baseball stadium across the country. Impossible, you might say? Well, I tell you what, guess again, because you see, it's already begun. This past February, I couldn't even throw the baseball 15 feet. And I'll be honest with you, I was discouraged, angry, and frankly, I just wanted to quit. But on April 1st, I had the honor of being invited to the opening day for the baseball ceremonies at Field of Dreams movie site, where I threw out my first pitch 65 feet right across the plate, baby. It was an epic, epic moment. Now, since then, I've sang and I've pitched for 7 other minor league baseball stadiums. And on August 5th, another part of my dream came true because I sang for my first Major League Baseball team, the Oakland Athletics. I sang the national anthem, and that was an incredible time. Now, you know, you might ask yourself, why is this blind guy crazy enough to do this? Well, what the heck is he doing? Great question. Well, my father happened to be the late, great O.C. Smith, who sang the big hit Little Green Apples in 1969. It was Record of the Year, and it won a Grammy, and it was written and produced by Bobby Russell. Major, major hit. And my father used to always tell me, well, let me explain it. Let me go through the song first. You may have heard of it. God didn't make little green apples. It don't rain in Indianapolis in the summertime. And when myself is feeling low, I think about a face to glow to ease my mind. My father told me, dream big, Robert. Don't be afraid of the impossible, because if you dream big, it can become a reality. So every time I throw out that pitch, every time I'm singing a national anthem, I'm always thinking about somebody else who's handicapped or who has less fortunate opportunities than other people. So ladies and gentlemen, that's why I'm asking for your support. I'm asking for contributions. I definitely need your help. In closing, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say this. Even a blind man knows that one act of kindness will make the world a better place. And that world begins with you. Will you help me? Please support me, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do this together. Win-win situation. The Little Green Apples Project will be a success with your help. As we say in Spanish, arriba, up, baby. Baby, baby, let's do this.